Imagine waking up to a 1 million rand lawsuit and a criminal charge of criminal injury. This is exactly what is happening right now to blogger Musa Kaula, as EFF leader Julius Malema and his wife Mantwa Matlala are officially done with the rumors. And they are bringing the legal hammer down. We are talking bribery allegations, claims of infidelity, and a high court showdown.
He's just got informants in the north.
Yeah. And he's exposing Julius Malema.
Oh yeah, what did you do?
Julius, what did you do?
So he put up a picture of a lady and say, meet Julius Malema's girlfriend, Onta Moore. And or More, if that's maybe that's
I think
how.
More is the one,
yeah. Onta More resides in an apartment in Hyde Park, being paid by her married lover, Julius Malema. Julius Malema also gifted Onta with a white Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon worth 5 million. She previously dated Edwin Sodi before getting her groove with Julius Malema.
My lead.
Asikho sidingo sekucelebrate i-divorce. Kuhlukana kusimnanzi. Labanye basikhuluma sibangqwabile ngenxa ye-divorce. Even nasemjolweni umuntu angathi ngifuna amakhethini wami. Akujabulisi, akube mnanzi bese bakuthathela amakhethini. So asi-celebrate i-divorce ngoba iphula imindeni, uyabona.
Hey fam, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on anything. Now let's get into this mess. It all started on the 25th of February 2026 when Musa Kaula took to his ex account and dropped a bombshell, claiming that Malema's marriage was effectively over, alleging they had separated because Mantwa couldn't deal with what he calls Julius's cavalier association with women. But he didn't stop there. He went on to claim that Malema sent people to bribe him to grease up his palm just to keep him quiet about the separation. However, these claims he made had no evidence, no receipts, just posts that instantly went viral. In his own words, he wrote, Julius Malema's marriage is over as his wife Mantwa Matlala files for divorce. Julius Malema and Mantwa Matlala got married in December of 2014, and she could only tolerate so much of his cheatations and decided to end their stressful marriage. XOXO Gossip Girl. Then he went on to make a second post, and on this one I must say he was bold because he tagged Malema saying, "Hi baby, at Julius_S_Malema. Don't get your people to send me coin to shut my ass up. You can't wanna hide your divorce until forever. XOXO Gossip Girl." Now the Malemas aren't just ignoring this one. Their lawyers, England's Labet attorneys, have fired off a massive letter of demand. They are not just asking for a retraction, they are coming for the bank account, okay? The demands are as follows: a public apology and a full retraction, a 1 million rands in damages, criminal charges of criminal injury. These lawyers are making it clear that this is not just gossip, as they're saying that claiming a public leader tried to bribe a blogger and that his unfaithful directly attacks his fitness for public office. It's not just tea anymore, it's defamation. And the legal papers get really personal here, as the lawyers are saying this post didn't just harm Malema's political brand, they also hurt his family too. Stating also that these claims have exposed the couple to national ridicule and most importantly have caused emotional harm to their kids. The lawyers are saying Musa presented these claims as absolute facts without a shred of verification. They say a reasonable reader would look at those posts and think Malema is a corrupt, unfaithful man who lacks integrity, and they are ready to prove in the High Court that none of it is true. So what does Musa have to say about this? First of all, he hasn't removed those posts from his page, and reportedly he was pressed for a comment, right? But he simply hung up the phone. Julius Malema, on the other hand, has also been silent on the calls, letting his legal team do the talking. Now the big question is Musa going to apologize and walk away? Or this is the beginning of yet another legal battle for Musa Kaula?
Like, what the fuck? Like, why are you wasting your time? You're wasting court's time, you're wasting your lawyer's time, and everybody's time because I'm money. Like, after you're done sending it to your damn court, where the fuck are you going to get the money? Like, what are you going to do? Are you going to come take this couch? What is your plan? Fucking leave me alone and go sue the people that you need to sue. And me, I ain't got time, as a matter of fact. So yeah.
Let's continue in the comment section, fam. Also remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.